Hi everyone, myself Saranya, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Allied Health Science. Today we are going to see a business model canvas on the topic Ornadyne. So the company profile we have selected is called Ornadyne. It was selected from the Y Combinator and I have given a link for an Y Combinator of the company. What is the innovation technology of the company is AAML and the innovation industry is manufacturing. So this company is mainly profiled to do an manufacturing on certain equipments which will be helpful for the society and also for the army persons to take over their function effectively. So about the company, Ornadyne builds a flapping wing drones from reconnaissance that look, fly and sound alike birds. So it looks very different to name all these things. So what is the difference is they are building an robot or they are building a drones with camera and all the necessary items what we needed, and it also looks like a bird and it sounds like a bird and it can able to merge along with the birds. But actually what the drone is doing is it detect acoustically, visually and electrically. As a counter UAS systems improve, the traditional quadricopters and fixed wings of UAS systems are building increasingly and ineffective for a cost range surveillance. So they are using this for an surveillance purposes in the army areas. The flapping wings aerodynamics and the lightweight mechanical rotation to replicate bird wing motion and gait. So it was actually made as like a bird and it can able to fly along with the bird and it can produce a sound like that. But there is no other doubts can become it as a drone. So it can able to visualize the areas of the coastals to see the army forces and help for the army forces. On a board perception, the camera plus sensors and the AAML for autonomous navigation, target detection, behavior that blends with other birds also. So this is what the company is about. Then now we can see what is the business model canvas about this company and how they have organized the growth of the company. So here is a business model canvas. The key partners of the business are industrial manufacturers, hardware or suppliers, that is who produces a sensor and robotics, cloud compute providers and industry integrators. And the cost that are incurred for the business is R&D engineering team, cloud compute cost, hardware prototyping and customer success teams. The key activities of the company is it is an AI processing optimization algorithms, real-time factory monitoring of software, customer deployment and pilots, and continuous learning systems. The channels that they can communicate is direct factory sales and Y Combinator demo days and industry trade shows and the technical partnerships. The value proportions is 50% of production efficiency gains, real-time defect detection, automated process optimization, and rapid factory of ROI. The key resources they are utilizing is they are using a manufacturer's engineers plus domain experts according to the production of the particular bird-like structure and proprietary factor datasets, edge computing software and Y Combinator investors networks. The customer relationship or dedicated deployment engineers perform the dashboards, ongoing optimization support and quarterly business reviews can be done along with the customer relationships. The target customers are the precision manufacturers, medical device OEMs, aerospace partners makers and high volume electronics. The revenue that can be generated by this business is SaaS production monitoring, hardware deployment fees, performance improvement shares, and enterprise licensing. So this is a vague of things that is here we mentioned about the company. So the company already uses an AI processing tools and optimization techniques to flow and maintain the key aspects of their revenue as well as the channels of communication. So Y Combinator actually plays a major role for support for these companies, and the customer relationship they are maintaining is through a performance basis of the needed. So it's not only meant to be used along with the army forces or the navy forces, it can also be used in certain cases of monitoring and security purposes in the medical device or in the hospitals or whatever else they are monitoring. So, and the specification is like a bird, so it is mainly focusing on using like a forest areas or an army forces. So actually the business model canvas is making use of these protocols. Actually it is a very high and advanced protocols that we have seen in this business model canvas. Thank you for listening.